In this video, I'm going to show you how to put the R-squared value in Google Sheets. So as you can see in the sample spreadsheet, we have here a statistics data and a bar graph to represent this information and data. So what we need to do is to display the R-squared in the bar graph. So to do this, after you have successfully added the bar graph, simply click on the bar graph, and on the upper right corner of this graph, you can see the more options, which is represented by 3 dots in here, and go to edit chart. This will then provide you a form wherein you can do modifications and changes based on your preference or based on the need for your bar graph. Simply locate the R squared by going to Customize tab, and in here, in the submenu options, navigate to Series, and under Series, as you can see, when you scroll down, we have here checkboxes for error bars, data labels, and trend line. Simply tick the box for trend line. This will display then a trend line for the bar graph. And when you scroll down after clicking trend line, this will then activate an option for show R2 squared. Simply tick this box. And as you can see in here in the bar graph, the R squared value is now presented in the representation. And that's about it. That's how to put R squared value in Google Sheets. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.